and threat.
Marshal Tito, would you like to take this opportunity when you are appearing before the people of America to give them any special message?
Yes, I will take this opportunity to send my greetings to America's people and plenty best wishes also on all these Americas who have sympathy for free and independent Yugoslavia. To all them in America who understand our difficulties, our aspirations to create a happy, new, strong Yugoslavia. To all them who have sympathy for such Yugoslavia as she is.